How to use Instagram Edits app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Instagram Edits app to create and edit video easily. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Edits app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside app, simply log in using your Instagram account, and this will allow you to directly edit and share videos for Instagram. So here simply log in with your Instagram account, and once you're done logging in, what you can do is just tap on the plus button shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on gallery, and after that on the next page simply select video or photo that you want to edit for your gallery. So here simply select the video that you want to add, and after that you can just tap on the tick icon. Now here, once you have done that, the videos will be added to the timeline. Now here inside the editor, you can trim or cut the clip, you can add music, you can add sound effects, you can insert text, captions, you can apply filters if you like, you can adjust brightness, contrast, and the video speed as well, and you can use timeline at the bottom to arrange clip and make adjustment. And here when your edits is finished, what you can do is just tap on export button, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen, to save the video. And with that you can also choose the resolution for your video as well. And that's it. That's how you can use Instagram Edit app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.